Every new grow begins with one crucial decision. Do you start with seed or clones? I've been growing for 10 years and I still struggle with that decision myself. So I decided to make this video discussing it with you here today. I'm Tyler with Herb'n Permaculture, and today I'm going to compare and contrast growing from seed and growing from clone. In my experience, the biggest benefit that you'll see starting seeds are the increased harvest weights. Seedlings grow more symmetrically, and this allows you to grow a more even canopy, and it often yields a little bit more. Benefit number 2, growing from seed gives you an opportunity to see phenotypical variations, and this is when a seed shows characteristics from one parent over the other. Lastly, seeds are easier to start than taking a cutting if you've never taken a cutting before. It's almost like a surgical procedure. The downside to growing from seed is that they take a little bit longer due to the germination and time in the seedling stage. Another downside is the potential for that variation I spoke on earlier if you want a strain to be exactly like you remember it. Seeds from the same pack often show different characteristics from growth patterns and flavor. Now, some of the benefits of cloning, first and foremost, are going to be the ability to save identical copies of a mother plant. Say you find a winning cultivar in one grow, you can decide to grow it run after run and either keep a mother or clone that clone perpetually. Unlike seedlings, clones have zero opportunity for genetic expression to vary. This is why it's so ideal to take cuttings of any keeper strains you find. Depending on the size of your cut, you can very well flip that clone with the mother that you took it from. I don't recommend it. You're going to want to stagger your workload because having too many plants can be a problem. The downside to cloning is that there is a little bit of work involved, and it's kind of intimidating if you've never done it before. The second downside is the asymmetrical growth causes plants to be just a little less prolific, so they yield, I'd say, 75% of what the mothers do. I hope my discussing these factors in this video today help you decide in your specific scenario. If you found this video helpful, consider giving our channel a follow to learn exactly how to master your indoor grow this year. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next Herb'n Permaculture YouTube video.